Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a character in Linky AI. So the first step is to simply open the app and then you're gonna have to create an account, otherwise it won't work. Then simply tap on the plus button and as you can see you have two different options. So you have IP characters and original character. So simply tap on any of these. Then you're gonna have to simply give it a name, then select or write your character description, choose here. So here you can choose the species, professions, so this will be the information about your character, and you can choose the look. So I'm gonna pick a random one, then click on generate, and then you're gonna have to simply wait until they generate the AI for you. Then you're gonna have to simply pick one and tap on submit, and basically that should be everything that you need to do in order to create your character in Linky AI. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.